Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Flip Essential and I'm going to show you how you can connect this speaker with your iPhone. So at the first, on your iPhone you have to open the settings and you have to go for the Bluetooth. Next you have to enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Right now grab your speaker, rotate like that, find power button, click on the power button once. Now just wait a little bit. And as you can see, the device is turned on. In some cases, you will be in the pairing mode automatically. So it means that this icon will blink on the blue and also speaker will make this sound. But if you are not in the pairing mode like me, you have to use this Bluetooth button. You have to click on it once. As you can see right now, we are in the pairing mode and the speaker appears on the list. So you have to select the speaker by tapping once. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's how you can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.